How's mommy's adobo? Did you try it? Did you try it? What? What? You drop water. It's water in your mouth. Mommy's adobo. How was it?
Mommy's adobo.
How was it? How was it?
It's so good.
Nanggigilang ko siya.
Oh, it's slushy.
You eat first.
Is it hot? There's an atay,
Slushy.
there's a chicken, and there's a pork,
What
and there's
are
an
you
egg.
making? You are making a slushy. A cold slushy?
Yeah. Eat
How
first.
about adobo? You don't like it?
I like it.
Of course we like it.
Good. It's hot. It's super hot. Is it super hot? Wow, na agad yata to. Dubi, dubi,
Tito,
dubi.
are you a driver?
Ano daw?
A driver.
Am I?
He's mommy's driver, right?
Yeah.
Tito is a driver.
Bagal kasi sa ko.
The artist is a passenger too.
Yeah.
I'm a passenger.
Are you an eater?
Yes. Wow, it's slushy. I wanted to drink this slushy.
Yeah. How about adobo? You don't like it?
I like slushy.
The adobo?
You need to eat first before, if you drink slush,
No?
you will get...
Is it good? Is it bad? Your adobo?
Yes.
What's yes? Good or good?
Tuwa.
Is it the best tandem? The slushy coke and the adobo?
Yes.
How about Tito?
Wait.
Where's Tito's food? Gigigil talaga siya sa nanigas na soft drink.
Ito lang yan eh. Hindi lang. See?
Good.
Yes.
Let's eat! Let's eat! Let's
You're
eat.
so happy when you're eating.
Let's eat so much.
So much. Wow.
Let's eat so
Oh,
much.
it's hot. It's hot. Slowly. It's just newly cooked. Wow, you're dancing.
Let's eat. Let's eat too much. Get this one. Wow. Boom!
Sunod tayo nag-chicken ah. May potatoes din pala yan, ang kalabasa.
Yeah, that's why I like it. Oh, I got one taba. Let's go. How about you, mommy? You
I'm
don't want
having my
You're having your,
my breakfast oats in a chocolate.
mamaya titirada. Let's see. Let's judge. Grabe, solid pala yung hinahalo yung chicken chop pork, no?
May atay yan. You said you don't like atay.
I don't like atay.
But you love all of my cooking. May raming atay.
Kagi, sarap.
gives flavor, the atay.
Mm-mm.
That's the best adobo. Chicken and pork with egg and atay.
Mm. Yari na naman. Ang dami ko na naman kakainin nito. Butete na ako.
Oh, kayo nang bibigyan. Stop. No, na.
Luto pa.
So? Oh, we got no rice anymore.
Mm. Mm. Yan mo yung kanin ko.
Is it one of the best adobo? No? So.
Grabe ang sarap. Kahit na siya, destabilize niya.
Kaya nga, it's hot pa.
Mm.
It's hot pa. It's fresh from the stove. And it's done.
Hap-hap. Let's put some, Wait,
It's too, oily.
yun yung masarap na adobo.
Almost an hour kong... Nadurog na nga yung pork. Kakaboil.
You want some chicken?
Pero pinatong na
This is
yung
ano pork,
chicken.
ha? That's good.
Marami pang chicken eggs there. It's got 4 chicken eggs there. Kaya tipid ka ni Tito.
Hindi, ah.
Dami.
Lagay ko na nga. Kasi baka hindi niya pansinin yung pork.
You can do it, Tito. No, don't serve him
Oh,
too much.
come on.
He's big enough. He's strong. Right, Jay? You can serve yourself. Come on.
Are you strong?
Yes.
Yes. Then do it on yourself. Do it yourself. Come on.
How's mommy's cooking? Pwede na. Pwede na mabuntis.
Pwede na itong bigyan ng anak. Praktisado na, praktisado. Pwede na buntisin.
How's mommy's cooking?
Oh, I hear the sound.
Tapos may ganyan ka? Ah, wait.
It's not just soft drink. Look, it's slushy.
Sarap.
It's full of ice. Look at that.
Covered with ice.
Yeah, because I put it in the freezer. So that when they consume it,
Say, excuse me.
it's too iced. I left the soft drink overnight in the freezer. Are you good? Rest your stomach. Don't follow Tito. He's not resting his stomach. Is it too sweet? Too salty?
No.
Too sour?
No. Sakto lang. Pasok na pasok.
I put 3 kinds of toyo and 2 kinds of vinegar, apple cider, and coconut vinegar, and the Worcestershire.
Ang
And the
no?
toyo.
Solid yung,
The seasoning toyo and the Silver Swan toyo. That's my favorite.
Ikaw, ayaw mo. Sarap yan. You're missing half of your life. Wow.
Now you realize what you missed.
Mm-hmm.
What you missed. Hindi yung puro pampaasim lang nilalagay mo sa pagkain mo para lumakas ka ng kain. Hindi yung puro pampaasim lang. Kalamansi, puro pampaasim.
Hindi, mahilig lang ako sa sour.
Para lumakas ka ng kain yan. Iiwasan mo yung asim kasi ang lakas mo na kumain. Kiss, mommy. Kiss.